Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Visual Studio Code on a Windows machine. Step 1. Download VS Code. First, open your web browser and visit the official Visual Studio Code download page. Choose the appropriate version for Windows 64-bit or ARM64 and click the download button. Once the download is complete, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Run the installer. Accept the terms and conditions. Step 3. Installation. Click the Install button. Wait for the installation process to complete. Step 4. Launch VS Code. After installation, click the Launch button to start Visual Studio Code. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coding!